Majitum send me a salaka. But on no way NDC crama wo about 10.
Oh.
On Ghana Some TV, do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, there's a beef alert. Yes, Kevin Taylor and Alhaji Masawudu, Chairman Buga, the third vice chair of the New Patriotic Party, are in a very serious back and forth. Guys, let me jog your memory. Kevin Taylor started insulting Chairman Masawudu unprovoked. Guys, he called him name. He described him as a SALAH cow. Guys, he body shamed Alhaji Masawudu unprovoked.
And I want to talk about him. Udrufia, my Yirimfa in Suesi, but in the Jari. Ugaria mentioned Ross. I got him, a diadia, the Jim. Wawina. Never have I told Obama so. Nejim. Nebusa was a Mianka Sanka Masawudu, dear. Masa, Rama Fasiki, Misudrufia, Jari, Horoto, because you should be on Sunny Tiana and Roto, Horoto, ya. Na wabejina hwehwem ahwehwe tentini men hye bibia na ginam we say na mianka sa Masawudu ya dian wo se wadwim na bowom salakao wodim de ba oti radio so na kika nkwase asa wo so na wo half shoot tantan bi na nam Ghana now unenti si form now unan na ese tabro no sie now you didn't kwase.
Alhaji Masawudu has a response for Kevin Taylor. Guys, the Kevin Taylor we all know will definitely come with a reply and we'll be here to give you all the tea. However, Alhaji Masawudu did not come to play. He kept on giving out all on his CV. Guys, Kevin Taylor dared Alhaji Masawudu to write myself. And if Alhaji Masawudu is competent enough to write myself, he will resign from his show. Guys, if Alhaji Masawudu is able to do this, will Kevin Taylor indeed resign? Food for thought. Guys, Alhaji Masawudu has described Kevin Taylor as a fool. He's a fool, foolish boy. That's what Alhaji Masawudu said. Chairman Buga did not come easy. He said he married his wife. Alright? He married his wife with his own money. The only certificate Kevin Taylor has is just a marriage certificate. A white lady came to marry you. You did not marry her. Bro, enjoy the video.
Platform we na ma sending caution or street warning to Kevin Taylor. Me, Alhaji Masawudu, I never mentioned Kevin Taylor in my interview. But me sure Kevin Taylor. But we make you comment to be on per se, miss me mauti as I said, dear one Casano. Me ordinary person like the way we know Kevin Taylor, you know. Me a national third vice chairman of a biggest opposition party. The party barely now 8 months ago we were governing this country. So on him. Me kula me ba na send sa video mame. O si me no o bomedi se o say me SALAH nantwi.
Oh, okay.
O si obomedi se
SALAH cow.
Well, o si me SALAH cow. Be se me kire ni se sanka onimi shira. E wo SALAH cow no. Odi frame no. Anka de bia obebo medim Alhaji Masawudu SALAH cow. To we Muslims.
So why
no. So no nim say adida tam no didi. But me ye SALAH cow. Me ye SALAH cow. Me ma jitum say me SALAH cow. But no way NDC crama wo about 10. Oh. Or do we see take it? Look, let me tell you.
He said it on his platform.
Okay, look.
He said it on his platform. What man?
Oh dear, me. Oh dear, mami we.
No man who they all kind. They only say. Senka mini Calvin or Hano from SALAH cow. Despite say what ya tum say SALAH cow. Media. And come catch and so on. But I will not sit here. Wabra only her. Yeah, only opportunity to defend himself. Now what friend no Dean Fufru.
Okay, would you okay, Mati. What we say? Osaka say, was say me ebikura. Me di kura, see me di kura, me to me try. But on me, the one to me trying to do NDC National First Vice Chairman. On
stray bullet.
I don't know. Oh, but me manotia. I want him to understand something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Me person me catch and say so on him. Me Ginebra or Ghana ha. And you know one in terms of education. My education credential has no doubt. One, me could have 3 degrees. Me could have first degree in education. Education in social studies, which are obtained it in Valley View University. You should go and check the records. Me could have masters, 2 masters. Me could have masters in agribusiness. Me are the best students in agric. Me get a honor no. West Africa ha. So omo pe nkromfo omo so agric pa. Me Alhaji Masawudu me ka ho. It is not about speaking English, practically. Me, I did agric engineering. Me gina honum no. Me one of the best agriculturalists in Ghana here. So on me kuta me masters. I did a masters in communication development.
Development
communication. At GIG. Wow. Sa certificate we me kuta no. How many of unknown the NDC for the kuta? Or no, apart from marriage certificate no. On me certificate or no Kevin Taylor was me. Who's all the say one more boss? Me, Kevin several years in Techima Senior High. Uncle Techima Senior High. No bisa say Alhaji Masawudu. Obe whom me record her as a teacher of senior high school. Me won kwara me boasting over 1 million students. Me chiro over there. Nde binimu are big officers. Almost sending me greetings, almost sending me idea mean to me abo mudini. Some of my students even this thing send me Kevin Taylor video. Now say man sa guy no who say when yan yanko me na me ko ware me yere etuo na ntue bibia ware no boko ene no wuye na me sa yi no boko de bata chiba si dan e de me yere tu ho enya me yere na ware me. So no, we yere ware no cox okoyen adjuma ma we yere ti ho eye wa adjuma ye NBC adjuma no muntu aka wo adjuma be na wo ye me Kevin Taylor woni me ma bo me bra ansa na me ye politics wo on bisa the only me 30 years ago me bra nyina me contractor me timber contractor for about 30 years me adjuma obi anime but ohun mi sa no since me sorry ye me business me ndi obi ka one so obi wo Ghana how I say me as now me no can obi me di obi ka on expose me say Alhaji odi me ka say me sorry me free ade o me Alhaji Masawudu obi so obi wo ho ka say me Alhaji Masawudu ma ba be free na ade on ka tell say Alhaji Masawudu wa free ma ade me mbobusia me call me no ho so bomobisa me mbobusia da obi ho sa me nim that is my life na hearing him sir so Kevin Taylor take time.
All right,
take time.
What kind of
foolish man?
Oh Alhaji na dia na dia betu atoi chesai Alhaji we what card credentials when na can nipa we na ya ba beteto Debbie
me choose. Okay